Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Sam here from Sam's Primeknit Videos. Hope you're all staying healthy and staying inside. Today, what we've got for you is the Adidas NMD R1 STLT, and we're going to review these shoes. I think it's going to be pretty fun. Let's dive in. Alright, so when first opening up the box here, I really like the design of it. There's some sort of material on the outside that's a little different, but it's cool. There's like a 3-stripe design going down the middle and the sides. Got a little Adidas logo, and obviously there's a label. Alright, opening it up here. We got Adidas wrapping. Alright, so when we first open this up here, there is the shoe. I got the green color. It's like green and brownish. I like this color. I did actually get 2 pairs of these shoes. I got a white pair as well. But I really like the design. That's the reason why I got 2 pairs. But it's really comfy to wear. Really casual shoe as well. But I do like these colors. Alright. And there's the right hand foot. Right there. Alright, so I do really like the box underneath. Push that aside for now. And here we have them. Adidas NMD R1 STLT PK. That's a lot of letters. Alright, so let's take out the cardboard things inside and start with the underneath. So, pretty standard NMD design underneath there. It's the same, I think. They got like 4 languages, saying the 3 stripes there, the standard back and the front there. I like how this comes up in front there. That's pretty nice. Underneath, it's nice to look at the bottom of these when you first get them, because usually they get really dirty underneath here because it's white and all. Side view, I like that one, but I like this side even better because there's this extra thing here. The back's pretty nice. Different colors look different back here. I think this one's actually a pretty good color for the back there. I think it looks pretty nice. You got your 3-stripe thing there. I like the color schemes they use for this one. Sides, you got your regular boosts there. You know, that there, and then that Adidas thing. On these, there's wider stripes there. It's sort of a mishmash pattern as you get along the side here. These lines go in different directions. Sort of made to look not specifically designed like straight lines. You know, it's a little different along here. I actually like that. I think it's pretty cool. They added some little neon green in there with the brown/green color. And I kind of like that. It's like I might call it like a camouflage type of color scheme. So the laces, I really like these because look at the shoe. You know, it's this. This is all fabric except for the back support, which is really nice. This back support is nice, but then the rest of the shoe, it's all fabric. You know, like this is just the shoe, and that's why it's so comfy to wear. And I'll show you that in a minute when I'm wearing them. But, you know, it's just so nice. But, the laces, the one thing I would say about these is when you lace them up, again, I'll show you in a minute, it gets a little crinkled at the center because, you know, not everybody's foot's exactly the same size when you put these on. So, not like a regular shoe where you just tighten it and there's a tongue and everything. These are just a solid fabric all the way around, so when you tighten the shoe, it gets a little crinkled in the center. Other than that, they're really comfy wear, really comfy fit, so you can wear them to school, work. Alright, so same decoration as the bottom, as you can see there. Same, I don't know, the hexagons or something on the bottom, and they're on the inside as well. It's like a foam. You got your boost thing there. Overall, I'd say it's a really good shoe. That's why I bought them. I like them a lot, so let's get them on. Alright, so as you can see, slipping them on, very easy. Just slip right in them. You know, they're really nice. I haven't broken them in yet, but they're still super comfy to walk around in. That's a good sign. The boost really gives you a nice walk when you're walking around in them. I'm not going to do laces right now because I'm not wearing them, so I want to leave them as is, but you can still see that when you do tighten them, you know, since there's no tongue, the fabric has to come to the center. It gets a little scrunched up there when you start walking. That's the only weird thing about them. Otherwise, they're super nice. I don't really have that much bad thing to say about these shoes. They're really nice. They conform to your foot, and you know, the loose feel is really nice. And you can wear them doing pretty much anything. They're super comfy. But yeah, that's what I have to say about these. Just a real good look on your foot overall, and you know, they're real styling too. All right, so there's the walking in them part, and just a couple more things about these. There's a lot of NMDs, so these are the NMD R1 STLTs. They're pretty popular. A lot of people know about them. But the only place I could find these colors, and also the other white ones I had, were on Amazon, because the actual Adidas website, they only had a couple colors. So they're pretty popular. I would definitely recommend getting them. I know why they're popular now that I you know, reviewed them, worn them a little bit. So yeah, that's the review on these shoes, guys. Make sure to give it a big like and comment what you like, don't like about these shoes, and also any other ideas for other review videos. I'm always open. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.